Have you ever wondered how people create these amazing underground room construction videos using AI, and that too completely free? Don't worry, as you already know, here at Joseph's, we strongly believe in open and free learning. Continuing our legacy of providing only free tutorials, today we are back with another powerful tutorial that will show you exactly how to create these underground transformation videos step by step without spending a single dollar. To begin, you will find a master prompt in the description of this video. It is slightly long, so make sure you copy it carefully. Once copied, open ChatGPT, paste the entire master prompt into the chat box, and click send. After that, ChatGPT will ask you what type of underground room you want to create. The best part about this master prompt is that it is designed in a smart and flexible way, which means you can generate any type of underground space you want, such as a gaming room, bedroom, nightclub, bunker, wine cellar, classroom, or anything else you can imagine. For this tutorial, we will create a gaming room underground construction video, so I will type gaming room and press send. Once you send your room type, ChatGPT will generate detailed prompts for you. These prompts will include one starting image prompt and multiple video prompts for different stages of the construction process. Now we will begin the generation process. First, we need to create the raw under construction site image. For this, we will go to Whisk AI. Keep in mind that the image generation feature on this website is completely free. Even though you might see a pro badge on my profile, this entire process works perfectly fine with a free account, so don't get confused. You can also use Grok AI or Gemini for the same purpose if you prefer. Now, copy the full image prompt provided by ChatGPT and paste it into the prompt box inside Whisk AI. Select the portrait aspect ratio by clicking on the aspect ratio option, and then click generate. After a short wait, several images will appear. You can inspect them and download the one you like the most. If none of them look perfect, you can generate more until you get the ideal raw construction site image. Next comes the video generation process. For this, we will use Grok AI. Go to Grok AI and open the Imagine section. Click on the Add Media icon and select the Animate Image option. Upload the raw construction site image that we just created. Once the image is uploaded, Grok may automatically start generating animation. Immediately cancel that generation and go to Settings to disable automatic video generation, because otherwise it will waste your daily free credits. To turn it off, go to your profile, open Settings, go to Behavior, scroll down to the Automatic Video Generation option, and make sure it is turned off. Then return to your project. Now go back to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt, paste it into the Grok Imagine text box, and click Generate. After some time, your first construction stage video will be ready. Watch it carefully. If you like it, save it. If not, click the Redo button to generate a better version. Keep in mind that Grok provides a limited number of free generations per day. You can log in using multiple Gmail accounts if needed. Some creators also use temporary email services for additional access, and we have explained that method in a short video linked in the description. Once you finalize the video you like, click on the video options and select Upscale. After upscaling is complete, download the video. Now here is the most important workflow trick. Open the downloaded video, go to its last frame, and take a screenshot. Crop that screenshot into portrait ratio. This screenshot will now act as the reference image for your second video. In simple words, we are using the last frame of one video as the starting frame of the next video to create a smooth construction progression effect. Repeat the same process. Upload the cropped screenshot to Grok Imagine, copy the second video prompt from ChatGPT, paste it, and generate the next construction stage. After generation, inspect, upscale, and download it. Again, capture the last frame and use it as the reference for the next stage. Continue this workflow until all construction stages are completed. It is almost like stretching one continuous transformation across multiple clips. After generating all videos, open any video editing software and arrange the clips in sequence. Before ending this video, let's quickly talk about YouTube monetization. These underground construction videos are currently trending and often fall under the ASMR category. However, there have been discussions that YouTube may flag certain ASMR style or repetitive AI videos as low-effort content under their policies. YouTube does not ban AI content, but monetization depends on originality and compliance with the YouTube Partner Program rules. Videos may get demonetized if they are mass-produced, repetitive time-lapse formats, simple slideshows with music only, or content without commentary, transformation explanation, or creative input. So for long-term safety and monetization stability, I strongly recommend adding at least one of the following: a voiceover explaining the transformation, commentary about design decisions, emotional storytelling, educational breakdown, or on-screen analysis with before and after explanations. This makes your content original and adds real value. After generating your video prompts, you can simply ask ChatGPT to create a professional voiceover narration for your scenes and use that in your video. That's it for today. I hope this tutorial helps you create powerful underground transformation videos completely free. We will meet again in the next video. Keep learning, keep creating, and stay creative.